is going to be very strong, where I may face many established players as well as upcoming talents. And so I would say that the first 5 rounds are going to be very crucial for me. Is going to catch the local attention, and that I believe will help in bettering the chess in Goa. It may help the entire chess culture in Goa, it may better it, and that really excites me.
And I feel if we want to produce world-class chess players, then we must have them coming here and displaying their class. So this tournament is must for Goa, and I really hope that all the youngsters will take lessons from all these things. And personally for me, it's going to be a milestone in my career, because I have done very well all over Asia and Europe, and when my people see me in action, it's going to be very special for me.
This tournament is going to be a very strong chess tournament in our state, with many strong players coming in from various countries.
I think it's very significant because it popularizes the sport and it gives an opportunity for young budding talents to play a world-class level tournament right here in Goa.
The tournament is very important to me, since it's the first time that I'll be playing such a tournament at home, and I hope that works as an advantage to me, and the homely feeling could probably do wonders, you never know.